Hi guys, this is Gary from SocialRobot. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to start using SocialRobot. So by now, you should have received an email from us that looks something like this and contains your SocialRobot unlock key and a link to SocialRobot installation guide. You'll start by opening the installation guide and then clicking the SocialRobot download link. Once the software is downloaded, run the installer and follow the installation steps. Once installed, click the SocialRobot icon on your desktop. During the first startup of SocialRobot, you'll be prompted to enter your unlock key that was sent to you by email. If you subscribe to SocialBase, you'll also need to activate your SocialBase account in the SocialBase tab of options. Once your SocialBase is activated, download the latest SocialBase by clicking the SocialBase button. If you, at any time, need to re-enter your unlock key, for example, when you have previously activated SocialRobot and are now upgrading to professional version, you can do that in the Help tab by clicking Enter Unlock Key button. Before you add your first project, let's take a look at the options. SocialRobot is very customizable and comes with lots of advanced options that can be a bit overwhelming for a beginner, so don't worry too much about those. The only thing you should really think about are CAPTCHA and proxy settings. CAPTCHAs are those little buggers where you have to enter text from images. Most of social bookmarking sites are protected by some sort of CAPTCHA. If you don't feel like manually entering hundreds of CAPTCHAs, we recommend you use one of the many supported CAPTCHA services. Proxies are sort of gateways that are used to mask your real IP and grant you anonymity. Usually, they don't have any impact on success rate. So, if you want to stay anonymous, we recommend you use them. But they're not mandatory, so it's really up to you. Of course, if you're going to use proxies, you should use private ones, as public proxies will most likely lower your success rate. Once you're done with the settings, create your first project by clicking Add Project and entering project name. Then you need to add sites to the newly created project. You can manually add your own sites by entering URLs, importing them from files, or importing them from another project. If you're subscribed to SocialBase, all you need to do is transfer the sites from SocialBase. Now to the project settings. If you want to get started as quickly as possible, you can generate general settings by clicking Automatically Generate Random Settings. All you really need to do is enter your website URL. Of course, you can also populate all the fields by yourself. By the way, most of the fields are spinnable, so you can use spin tags. Make sure your website URL has not been previously submitted to social bookmarking sites in the current project, or the submission will usually fail. Once you're done with general settings, you can also preview them. You'll also need to enter the settings for email account that will be used to register and post to social bookmarking sites. Ideally, you'll use a unique account for each project. Any pop email account will do. We've included settings for popular public email providers. If you're using a privately hosted email account, you'll need to figure out the settings on your own. Once done, don't forget to test the email settings to make sure SocialRobot is able to use your email account. Now, save your settings. That's it, you're all set. If you want to manually control the posting process, you can click the buttons for each action in the correct order as needed. But if you want the whole process to be as easy as possible, just click the one-click posting button and everything will be done automatically for you. Congratulations! You're now left with hundreds of fresh social bookmarks. You can view your social bookmarks by right-clicking the sites and choosing Open Post, or you can export your links by using the Export Links function. If you need more information, check out the Help tab. User's Manual and our forums should be a good start, but if you have any specific questions, we're always available. Just submit a ticket and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.